My name is Karen Long, and after taking this course for the semester, I'd like to tell you why I picked a convergent mixed methods design for my research. Well, first off, what is it? Well, convergent designs have a certain purpose, and it's to simultaneously collect both quantitative and qualitative data, and then to put it together, merge it, and use those results to understand a particular phenomena according to Creswell and Plano-Clark. Why use it? Well, one data collection may not be enough, and having both forms complement the results from one another. You have strengths from one, from the quant, that strengthen the weaknesses from the qual, and vice versa. You provide equal priority for both the quant and the qual, and they're both collected at the same time during the study. And then in addition, a researcher then compares those results side by side to see if the data gives similar results. How does it fit within my study? Well, within my study that I'm going to do, or I'm planning to do, there will be 30 participants in each one of 3 test groups. The control group, which will have only verbal instructions for particular content in physics that's going to be presented in an asynchronous course. 30 more participants in test group 1, where the asynchronous course will be presented in words as well as audio in a concurrent fashion, meaning that when the paragraph comes up for reading, there will be an audio accompaniment with it. And then finally in test group 2, there will be verbal, audio, and video presented concurrently. In other words, there will be words, and then there will be a video that comes up with the narration and a person talking, perhaps showing slides that relate to the particular concepts. How does this fit within my study? Well, for the convergent design, I have pre and post tests that will be given to all 3 groups, and they'll all be the same. The quant data will be achieved through multiple choice questions that will test the content level of the participants before and after they participate in the asynchronous course group in which they have been randomly assigned. The qual data will be achieved through open-ended questions that will measure their efficacy level to see if there's any correlation between how much content that they've learned and their confidence level in presenting the material to their students, because these participants will be teachers. And I will check to see if the data complements each other, and it'll either prove or disprove a relationship between the acquisition of the content and the impact of the efficacy of that content.